How to see devices connected to Google account. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to see devices connected to Google account. First, open Google and log into your account. Then click on your profile. Again, click on your profile. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Manage your Google account. Then it will lead you to this kind of page. Then scroll all the way to the left. You'll find Security. Scroll all the way down till you find Your Devices. Click on Manage all devices and you'll see all the devices which are logged in to your Google account. And that's how you see devices log in to your Google account. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was informational.